We are working with probability on this one. And this one says the president of Juicy Snacks selected 4 employees to receive a free vacation. He claims that the 4 employees are chosen randomly from a group of 21 employees, of which 14 are women and 7 are men. We're asked to find the probability that no woman is chosen. Okay, now this becomes important. This is whenever they'll use this to calculate sexual harassment lawsuits and stuff like that. If the boss is only picking men, they can find out what the actual probability, if it was truly random, what it should be that no woman is chosen. So that's what we're going to calculate now. Okay, so our goal here is to try to calculate what the probability that no woman is selected. The probability that no woman is selected is actually equal to the probability that only men are chosen. If only the men are chosen, then that means that no woman is selected. And we can try to find the calculations for only women, or that no women would be selected, but it's going to be a lot easier just trying to find what the probability is that a group of 21 employees, of which 14 are women and 7 are men, if we can find just the probability that only the men are chosen, these 7 men, of those 7 men, only 4 are chosen to go on the trip. So what we're going to do is calculate the probability that only men are chosen. And the probability that only men are chosen, now remember, probability, we have to do the desired outcome over the total number of possibilities. So in this case, the desired outcome, the possible combinations of men, out of the 7, we have to choose 4 of them. So we're going to do a combination. We'll do 7 choose 4, divided by the total possible combinations of employees. Okay, so we're going to have a combination over a combination. Now, the combination of choosing men would be 7 choose 4. Okay, 7 choose 4. Then we have divided by the total combination of everyone. This one would be 21. There are 21 employees. 21 choose 4. Okay, now all we have to do is actually just calculate this this calculation here. So let's bring in our calculators. We'll start with the TI Nspire. Okay, this is a 7 choose 4 divided by 21 choose 4. Okay, so we're going to plug this in. Our shortcut for this, if we go into our menu, probability, then combinations. Okay, so this is a 7 comma 4, 7 choose 4. Remember to add that comma in. Okay, divided by this one, the second one is a 21 choose 4. So let's bring that in. So it's another combination. I always like to put parentheses on anything I'm doing there. So again, that's in menu probability, probability combinations. There we go. This one is a 21 choose 4, so 21 comma 4. And then we can just hit enter. That gives us 1 over 171. Now this particular one here asks us to write our answer as a decimal, round it to the nearest 6 decimals. So I'm just going to convert this one to a decimal. The way that we do that is go up here to menu, number, convert to decimal, and then just hit enter, and it will give us this decimal here. This is going to be our answer. Okay, let's do it on the TI-84 now. Okay, so we have 7 choose 4, so we'll do that first. We'll go 7, then I go in here to math, and we'll go over to probability. That means we're going to go over to the right 3 buttons. And our combinations is right here, option number 3. 7 choose 4. Close my parenthesis, divided by 21. And again, our combinations are right here under math. We go over 3 buttons to probability, option number 3. 21 choose 4. We'll close, let's back up just a little here. Got my parenthesis in the wrong spot. There we go. And then just hit enter. And it'll be the same answer on both of these. Okay, so the probability that we only choose men, only men are chosen. Let's edit that right now. Only men are chosen. Alright, that looks a little better. Only men are chosen are right here, and it's this big long decimal. Well, we already said up here that the probability that 0 women are selected is equal to the same number that the probability of only choosing men for this particular event. So the probability that 0 women are selected is this The only difference is we now have to round it to the nearest 6 decimals. Typically, you do not round until you get to the very, very last step. That will help you out quite a bit. And they'll use this quite a bit. I mean, this is a little bit over 0.5% of the time this would occur. So if it occurs 3 or 4 times in a row, then the women would have a case on their hands that it's discrimination.